want to hold it now? So that I'm going to hold it and walk him.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know how to do it. Is it still rolling? Oh, you can just cut part of it out?
No, I'll just send it to her just like this.
Okay.
Hey, Grandma.
Hi, Eli. Look at Eli. Look at Eli. Oh, my goodness. Look at you go. Yay. Come on. Time to get... Oh, where's your sock? Come on. Here you go. Come on. Come on. There we go. Wow, look how fast you are. Yay. Okay.
He's tired.
Here, stop. Did you push it?
Yeah.